Hey everyone, Kyle here with Eau Claire Diesel, and just wanted to do a little video on a new service we have in the area. We are now cleaning DPF filters and DOC filters. We have a special unique process that's really safe for the filter. It's all water based. We can take a dirty filter and have it clean and dry in 2 hours. So if you have a DPF issues and you need your filter cleaned, get a hold of us and I'll show you how this works. So right now I have our DPF filter in the soak tank cleaning. This is our flow bench where we put the DPF filter and the DOC filter on here. We flow it so air will get pulled down, write the number down and document it on our sheet here of what it flowed, along with giving it a serial number so you know you're getting yours back. We can also do a light check so we can look down in the filter and see if we see any issues. On these DOCs, you're going to be able to see some light through them. On a DPF, you do not want to see any light through them. If you do, it is cracked. So then we'll document it all, let it soak for a minimum of 20 minutes or as long as you need. But since this customer needs this one in a quick turnaround time, we're probably going to let it soak for half an hour because it looked like it was pretty bad. It flowed like 5.7, 5.1. So it was very compromised. So then we'll stick it in here and flush it out, and we'll show you how we do that. As you can see, there's a lot of blackness coming out of this. So this filter is very dirty. Once we're all done cleaning this would be nice clean water coming through here. There's still quite a bit of debris coming out of it, so this one needs to soak a little bit longer than a half an hour. Alright, now let's see how it looks after we soak it again. Put my gloves on here and pull this up and take a look at it. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. That'll definitely clean. Now we've brought the DPF filter from the soaking tank to the wash machine where we've filled it with a patented chemical and filled it with the clean water from the machine. So we'll let this gonna soak for 20 minutes, maybe 30 since it was so dirty, and then we'll place it under the automatic wand and show you how we clean these things. So now we've moved the filter over to the wand. There's a laser beam that comes down and you can measure your center to center to make sure you're dead center. So this is moved off to the side so you can do that. And once we start the machine, it'll move to the center and start cleaning. So I'll show you how we do that. So now we select our filter size. We're gonna do a heavy duty cleaning and we hit the start button and let it do its magic. It's a computer guided system that goes around to that size that you input, and we're pumping around 500 gallons of water through this filter, which is pushing out all the debris that's stuck into the filter. Once it's done cleaning, we'll bring it over to the drying cabinet where it'll blow it dry at around 215 degrees for 45 minutes. Now this filter has completed its cleaning cycle and we will put it in the dryer and dry it. It looks pretty good. Way better than it did when it came in here. She was black. So on these two filters, we've seen a pretty good difference. I don't have them sitting in front of me to prove to you, but the machines do a very good job. The customer came and picked them up already, so he's happy. But here, check these results out. So on the DPF filter, when we tested it before cleaning, we were flowing 5.7 inches of water column. And after cleaning, we were down to 2.5, which is in spec. Same with the DOC, 4.6 down to 2.7, so a significant increase in flow on those filters. So the truck should be very happy, and we did it in 2 hours.